Hey everyone, my name is Atia and this is my channel. This is Smooth Complexions. As promised, on tonight I'm going to come at you with everything that I got from Miss Lucretia Body Oils and Sprays. I got maybe 5 or 6 things, but I want to let you guys know that that bath bomb, that Peri Bear bath bomb, oh my god, it relaxed me so much till I was late for work this morning. I mean, I really don't take baths, I take showers. So last night I just relaxed and it just felt so good. And tonight I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna use the Secret Garden bath bomb. And first what you do with the bath bomb, you run your water and then you put the bath bomb in there and it just goes to sizzling and fizzles and fuzzes up. So it's a really nice, it's gonna give your bath water a certain color. So do be alarmed on that. Another popular sale on there is called Vanilla Lavender. Everybody was talking about that one. That's really good. And they're gonna come like in this pretty little clear bag here. And like I said, I got 2 of them. The Peri Bear is really nice. So again, I will keep you guys updated on how the Secret Garden one smells. I got Unforgivable. It's all Unforgivable by Sean John. Of course, yes, I know I'm late, but I got the Unforgivable. I really like that. And by Victoria's Secret, I got the Amber Romance because I love the Amber Romance by Victoria's Secret. But this Lolita Paquita, I hope I'm saying this correctly, oh my goodness, it's one of my favorites, just like True Religion. It smells so good. So after I get finished tonight, I'm gonna put this one on, and my True Religion, man, is just, I love it. I love it so much. So I'm gonna give you updates on everything later, but definitely I love my True Religion and this Lolita Paquita. Oh my goodness, so good. So on my first video when I did one about Miss Lucretia, pretty much everybody was new to the game. Now it's just like she's blowing up on YouTube. So I'm gonna post the very first one on this video, my first Lucretia Body Oils and Sprays video as well. Now everybody is doing the Facebook fan club. So I'm gonna do me one, so please do stand by. I'm gonna do my own fan page. Miss Arsha Jones, what's up, Arsha? She's gonna hook my page up. I should have that up like in the next week or so, so please do stay tuned for that. On Miss Lucretia's site as well, you have to go to her fan page on Facebook to get a promo code like I did. For everything that you want, you get a certain percentage off. So you have to go there. If you want, you know, the one I used to like, the PUS, yeah, y'all know that one. It's under unisex, under her fragrances, if you want to find that. And do note that when you make your order on PayPal, I think it's to the left hand side on PayPal, it takes 7 to 10 business days for you to get your order. So I think that's pretty much everything that I want to clear up about Miss Lucretia sprays. But I love them. So I will keep you guys updated on the bath bombs. But I want you to tell me on your video, which Lucretia oil do you like? Maybe something I'm missing that I haven't gotten yet because I want it. Y'all know how I am about perfume and oils. So please do, if anyone has done a video on Miss Lucretia's, on the bath bombs, the oils, or anything, please do let me know what I am missing. Because like I said, right now I'm really stuck on Lolita Paquita, True Religion, but of course my all-time favorite is the Amber Romance by Victoria's Secret, and of course I missed out on Unforgivable by Sean John, so I got that too. I'm gonna get to these when I wear them. I'll let you guys know. But right now, I put this on today and I was like, gotta wear this to sleep tonight because it was so good. But definitely True Religion stood up. If you go out to Bells, Macy's, and smell it, it is a good scent. And the Lolita Paquita, I just seen a lot of people talking about it, so I was like, you know, I'm gonna go ahead and check that one out too. And well, I'm glad I did that. So I just want to let you guys know my fan club page will be up. But to get to Miss Lucretia, right there's an info box. Everything you need to know. So again, send me guys your videos or anything you got from Miss Lucretia. Maybe it's something that I don't know about, so just let me know. But that's all I want to cover on Miss Lucretia. But it was a video going around all day today. It's a lady, her name is Kimberly New York, and her story is so moving. I got an email from this person right here. And she asked me, have I heard about it? I was like, no. And I seen a lot of people doing videos about it, so I wanted to let everybody know, please do check out Kimberly, New York. Her story is very, very moving. I just want you guys to check it out yourself, because I have my own words that I can say about what happened to her, but I just want to lift her up with great words to let her know I'm gonna continue to pray for you. You are a strong black woman, and girl, what you did and how you handled everything was just powerful. I know you went through a lot, but I just want to say, here as YouTube, we are a family, and we're just going to continue to help you as much as we can here and pray for you. And by your pictures and everything that you have shared with the world, I just couldn't imagine, you know, me going through that. Oh my goodness. So from me to you, you're a strong person. So I'm going to continue to let everybody know about your story, because it was very touching to me today. And I just want to let everybody know out there. I mean, she's been on, I think, Maury or Montel. She shared her story, and I just want everybody to please go check out her channel. Look at part 1 through 5, and oh my goodness, people, just continue to pray for her, because she went through everything. She finished school, she did, I mean, everything. So I'm so proud of her. So to you, girl, keep up the good work, and whenever you're ready, we're gonna like help you anything you need to do, because from my understanding, I think the gentleman, he's getting out in 2 years or something like that. So she's been through a lot. So please do, people, go check out her story, and we're going to continue to pray for each other and help one another out here, since that is what we do here on YouTube, right? So I love you guys, and do check out Miss Lucretia's t-shirts. They are on point, baby. So I love you guys. I love you guys. I love you guys. And again, send me your videos about Lucretia. Do check out Miss Kimberly New York's channel. If I didn't say it right, the real channel is right here at the bottom, or it's right there in the info box. I love you guys, and have a good night. And this is my hair. Hey, hey. Yeah, everybody, tell you, please wear your hair. Okay, here he goes. And tomorrow, I'm going to be back to my wigs. Okay, good night.